I'm floating through the air.
First of all, I'm applying an eyeshadow primer all over my eyelid.
I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see.
Now I'm taking ENLIGHT from the JACLYN MORPHE palette and I'm using it as my brow bone highlight. With a flat eyeshadow brush, I'm applying this gorgeous turquoise shade on my inner corner. She has allegedly a color block on the eyes, but I want a gradient. With a clean brush, I'm blending the edges.
I'm here and I'm feeling exaggerated, that's what you assume.
Now I'm taking Fringe from the Electric palette by Urban Decay and I'm blending it into Blue Lagoon.
Still hanging in the balance, not the life I want to live. I want to take it all, standing tall. Fear I weighed the person you are. Oh, break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent.
With the same brush, I'm blending Posh into Fringe and I'm creating a teardrop shape. Now I'm adding more depth in the outer corner with Enchanted and then I'll apply it under my lower lashes.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh,
Black waterproof eye pencil on my waterline.
upon the web, I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to.
As my cheekbones highlight, I'm using ENLIGHT. On my lips, I'm using the same eye pencil I used in my waterline as a base. Over the black base, I'm applying this blue-green lip cream. So that's the final look. Please let me know what you think in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.